So before you get an insurance plan or before you buy an insurance plan, stop for a moment and check these five things first and make sure na talagang lahat ng ito ay kinonsider mo na. Because there are so many people who choose the cheapest policy, yung cheapest insurance policy that they can get, or they're buying from a friend without understanding what they're getting at. Yung hindi nila naiintindihan kung ano yung insurance plan na kinuha nila for themselves. And that mistake could cost you and your family when you need the protection the most. And ang pinaka-purpose naman talaga ng pagkuha ng insurance plan is for you to be able to protect yourself and your family sa mga future events na pwedeng mangyari, like death, sickness, illness, or even accident. So here are the five things that you have to check before buying or getting that insurance plan. So number one, check the coverage. What exactly is covered in the insurance plan? So yung coverage na pinag-uusapan natin dito, ano yung death benefit? Magkano yung death benefit? And para sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang death benefit, ito po yung amount na makukuha ng iyong beneficiary. Kung ang family mo ang beneficiary, eto yung amount na makukuha ng family mo kapag namatay ka na. There's no other way to put it in simple, plain context, pero ang death benefit, kaya siya tinawag na death benefit kasi nga, eto yung makukuha ng pamilya mo pag namatay ka na. And then, may included ba na critical illness na pag nagkasakit ka ng isang malubhang sakit, meron ka bang coverage para doon? Kasama ba yun dun sa plan? Meron bang coverage for hospitalization? Or meron bang accident insurance? So make sure na kung ano man yung coverage na meron dun sa insurance plan na kukuhain mo, it matches your needs, yung mga pangangailangan mo talaga. So you have to check kung ano yung coverage ng insurance plan mo and make sure na yung needs mo talaga in an insurance plan, it will cover all of that. Kaya kailangan talaga ng financial needs analysis with a financial advisor para ma-match yung needs mo doon sa insurance plan na ipopropose or ibibigay sa'yo. Number two, yung exclusions. Okay? So kung sa number one, coverage, that means ano yung mga included sa insurance plan na yon. Dito sa number two, you also have to check kung ano yung mga exclusions, ano yung hindi kasama. Because every policy has things that it doesn't cover. So you have to read the exclusions carefully so there will be no surprises later. Kaya may mga ibang clients na pag hindi nila binasa yung kanilang policy contract, hindi nila alam kung ano yung excluded doon or even before signing the insurance plan, eh hindi nila natanong ano ba yung mga hindi kasama dito na akala nila kasama doon. Tapos kapag kailangan na nila yung coverage na yun, eh hindi pala part ng kanilang insurance plan. So you really have to be aware also, you have to check kung ano yung mga exclusions sa iyong policy bago mo pirmahan yung insurance plan agreement na yan. Number three is premium affordability. So you have to choose an insurance plan that you can comfortably pay for long term. Lalong-lalo na pag ang kukuhay mo na insurance plan is yung regular pay plan na you will have to pay until age 100. So you have to make sure na meron ka talagang nakaset aside na budget. And during the financial needs analysis with the financial advisor, you will have to discuss that with the financial advisor para alam niya kung ano yung budget mo, ano lang yung kaya ng bulsa mo na bayaran kung monthly man yan, quarterly, or semi-annual, or annually mo na babayaran. Ano yung kaya mo na iset aside na pag binayaran mo or pag sinet aside mo yung budget na yun for your insurance plan, hindi mo siya poproblemahin or hindi sasakit ang ulo mo na, "Ay naku, paano na lang yung gastusin ko sa ganito or ganyan, napunta na sa pambayad ng insurance." So make sure na magiging komportable ka dun sa premium na babayaran mo. Because the best insurance is the one that you can keep. Hindi yung kapag merong nangyari, eh, wala na, hindi mo na magagawang bayaran yung insurance mo. Tapos kapag nag-lapse yung insurance mo, by the time na kailangan mo ng insurance na yun, like yung coverage mo for critical illness kasi nagkaroon ka ng malubhang sakit, and because you were not able to keep that insurance plan, sayang, hindi mo na magagamit yung critical illness coverage na included sana dun sa insurance plan na yon. So make sure na kaya mong ma-afford yung premium na babayaran mo sa insurance plan na kukuhain mo. Number four, insurance company reputation. So you have to look for a financially strong and trusted insurance company with a good claims paying history. So again, as I was able to discuss in my previous video, na pag maghahanap ka ng insurance company, don't check the best insurance company in the Philippines, but rather check for the right insurance company for you. And one thing that you have to consider if this insurance company is right for you is if they have a good claims paying history. Kasi lahat naman tayo, pag kailangan na nating mag-claim sa insurance plan natin, syempre gusto natin yung hindi tayo pahihirapan, di ba? At saka madali lang yung process, at saka very straightforward. So kapag ang company merong ganung reputation that they have good claims paying history, that's one check for you na maganda yung reputation ng insurance company na yon. And of course, yun nga, that they are financially strong and they are trusted insurance company. Number 5 are your financial goals. Ano ba yung financial goals mo in getting an insurance plan? Ano yung main reason why are you getting an insurance plan? So you have to ask yourself, are you protecting your family? Or are you saving for the future? Or are you trying to fund an education or you are preparing for a retirement? Kasi bawat isa po sa atin, iba-iba po yung financial goals natin. Depende kung nasa ang season at nasang stage tayo ng buhay natin, di ba? So your insurance plan should support your goals. You have your own reasons, your purpose, and your goals of getting an insurance plan. So those are the 5 things that you have to check before you get an insurance plan, or if you're in the process of getting an insurance plan, you have to make sure na lahat ng 5 things na to ma-checkan mo to make sure that 100% siguradong sigurado ka dun sa insurance plan na kukuhain mo for yourself and for your family. So remember that insurance is not just a product, it's a financial safety net for the people that you love. So before you buy an insurance plan or before getting an insurance plan, you really have to ask questions. Ask questions to your financial advisor kasi yun naman ang role ng isang financial advisor, yung sagutin lahat ng mga katanungan mo bago mo pirmahan yung contract. And you have to understand the policy. Ikaw mismo dapat naiintindihan mo kung ano yung nasa policy contract, yung exclusions, yung coverage, everything. You need to understand that ikaw mismo binasa mo at talagang pinag-aralan mo at inintindi mo so that you can make an informed decision. Kailangan informed ka, hindi mo puwedeng sabihin, "Ay hindi ko naman kasi alam 'yan, eh. Ay sabi kasi ng financial advisor ko, ay hindi ko alam na may ganyan pala." You're the one who's buying the insurance policy, you're the one who's getting the insurance plan, so you have to make an informed decision, and part of that informed decision is informing yourself of what you're actually getting. Now follow for more practical financial tips and insurance education.